Zduhač trace their roots from the mythological creature, dragon or zmaj. It is considered that Zduhač are dragon-like people, who are the protectors of certain community such as village, city or settlements. Zduhač can also be called by the following names: Zduha, Zduhat, Zduva, Zduvač, Stuhač, Stuha, Stuva, Stuvač, Jedogonja and Jedogonja. And it is considered that this is a man who has special powers when he sleeps. It was believed that the spirit of Zduhač leaves his body and to fight against other Zduhač, Allah, and other demons. In the fight to defend his settlement and to ensure a good harvest in the household. Zduhač are described as good and righteous spirits and would do anything for their community. That is why they fight each other to save their community. But at the same time, it causes harm to another community and to that community whose Zduhač lost the fight. In the linguistic form, Zduhač is better known in Montenegro and Bosnia and Herzegovina, while in other regions they are known as Zmaj. In their appearance, they do not differ from other people, except that they are always dreamy, fragile, and have long nails. But people have always considered them very serious and able to overcome various adversities and difficulties. They are stronger than other people and can often predict their own death. Weapons of the Zduhač depends on the Zduhač himself. For weapons, they can use trees pulled from the ground, rocks and stones, leaves of trees, and broom from the threshing floor. A stick of kindling wood, burning from both ends. If a Zduhač is killed or wounded in a fight against other Zduhač, he will not live long in the waking world. There were also customs that if someone who was believed to be a Zduhač fell asleep, people would start waving their iron objects, such as knives, swords, or scythes, to protect the Zduhač sleeping helpless body from evil spirits, because of the belief that demons are afraid of wrought iron. Zduhač and dragon-like people can be considered all heroes from folk heroic songs. The fight between Manović Strahinja and Vlah Alija, Marko Kraljević and Musa Keseđija. It is an epic fight, or a fight between the Serbs and the Ottoman Empire of that period. But perhaps also it could mean alteration of day and night, rain and hail. The most important folk heroic song that describes the transformation most similar to Zduhač is Sekula turned into a snake. Sekula se u zmiju pretvorio. Which is the historical Janos Hunjadi, Janko Sekulić, goes to Kosovo with his weak cousin Sekula. But before they could rest, Sekula told Janko that he would bring the Turkish emperor, who would be a falcon, but not to attack the six-winged serpent. Sekula later turned into a six-winged snake and caught the Turkish emperor with his teeth. Janko was awakened by the guard, and in a frenzy he took a bow and arrow and mortally wounded the six-winged snake and killed his nephew. In addition to humans, animals can also be Zduhač, and like all Zduhač, they protect the fertility fields and livestock of that area. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye and see you in the next one.